Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose, supported by a softer dollar and weak US data, as investors grappled with mounting economic and political uncertainty. The US dollar index fell 0.5%, making gold cheaper for buyers holding other currencies. The benchmark S&P 500 stock index ended modestly higher, supported by technology shares. But some early gains evaporated as weak data revealed the economic toll taken by President Donald Trump's erratic trade policies. Bybit, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has revealed a comprehensive security overhaul following its $1.4 billion hack in February. Bybit has implemented a three-pronged security upgrade. The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.